JBR Engines over in Plant City, Florida for quite a few years now. They're great with all the K series, all the B series, pretty much any of the Honda stuff. They got it down pat. They have their own in-house race program, so they learn a lot through their own racing, which kind of trickles down to all of us customers. We've used them quite a lot for race engines. We've used them for street engines in our personal cars, all across the board. They've always been super easy to work with. For 2019 with JBR Engines and the Supertech Performance all-motor Honda CRX, we are using JBR's CNC Cylinder head programs. We're using all of his machine work, all of his block sleeving, all of his engine assembly. He's gonna work on some piston design for us. So we're pretty much committed to his race program engines. Kind of aligned ourselves with him, and I think in the whole scheme of things, it works out better when you just pick one engine shop and stick to it. He learns a lot with his program, we learn a lot with our program, we kind of combine it all together and we try to bring the best possible engine combination to the table.